Hey guys, so I won a kind of one of those miscellaneous random lots on eBay. So I paid $35 for this, I think is what my ending bid was. It's kind of a weird box. It's been sitting here for a little bit, so I don't remember what all was in it. I know there's, man. Oh, this box is, I know, let's see how I did it. I know there's a Darth Vader with a lightsaber. They're always good. I don't remember how much of a gamble I took on this. So we'll see if I even broke even. Tear it up. Sometimes I try to make it too complicated. So this may not be good. This may just end up being a couple of enhanced Premiere cards and the contents, although there is a starter deck there. Very carefully. Darth Vader with lightsaber. Light play condition. I don't remember much about this, so I'm getting a little bit nervous looking at it. Oh, okay, yes. I vaguely remember. So the circle is now complete. Java sail barge. I think this is why yeah. Okay. Yeah, I couldn't remember. I saw a bunch of white border stuff. White border Hoth, so. Target the main generators. Furry Fury, this is just wrong. Image of the Dark Lord, Scruff Healer King. Dak Rautar, Disarming Creature, R3PO. So far, I'm very happy all of those are rares. Ooh, they smell like smoke, real bad. Yeah, that's very unfortunate. Dark Jedi lightsabers are always good. Yeah, I'm going to that smells like smoke too. Well, these are gonna get boxed up and they're going to go into my garage for now. All this stuff's gonna get thrown in the trash. Well, that's it. I would have actually been very happy with that for 35. Smelling like smoke. Ooh, yeah. I'm just gonna hold this for now. So I have heard you can take, like, put them in a box with a dryer sheet or dryer sheets taped to the top and leave them in there for a couple of months and it'll pull the smoke smell out. I may do that, I may not. I may just try to sell these for what I paid for them in the Wars CCG group if anybody wants them. And let somebody else try. But I need to actually look up the values of the cards and see if they're even how close they are to the like 35. But they do smell like smoke, so that's very unfortunate. So anyways, that's it. Thanks, guys.